my name's Armand Beasley and welcome back to our little series highlighting everything that's amazing within the makeup artist industry. So, it's Makeup Week 2020, that's just around the corner, and I'm here talking to the great and the good when it comes to skincare and makeup. Today I really want to focus on skincare because, remember makeup artists, your makeup is only as good as your skin. And probably one of the best skincare houses in the world, the most famous brand is Clarins. And I'm here with Misbah, here in Mumbai. Now Clarins have two stores in India, one in Delhi and one in Mumbai. Misbah, tell me a little bit about Clarins here in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, like Clarins is like been past in a big in industry past 60 years.
Yes.
And in skincare, we are leader in the market. And basically, according to the Asian skin, we have certain products that we have, and it's working very good.
Oh, good. And how long have you been working for?
I'm working for past 1 year, and it's been a wonderful journey. I have
And you're loving it?
Yes.
And what are your three favorite products?
So basically, we have a double serum, which is the iconic product that we have. As you can see, there is a double jar in it.
Yes.
Like one bottle. We have a 2 serum. And it has all 21 plant ingredients in it.
Okay.
So it works on your all 5 vital functions, which is take care of your, it's working your liver away. So give you the youthful skin and
I need that. And tell me about your second.
yes, and we do have extra foaming, which is a range for anti-aging again, because nowadays we should really take care about our skin. So this we have a new ingredients in our skincare program, which is day and night. We have a separate product for the day and for the night. So this is the extra foaming range that we have.
And is that one of your newest?
It's a newest product.
Okay. And what are the active ingredients?
The ingredients, we have a kangaroo extract. What it does?
Kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo extract that we have. It's a plant. Basically, it's a plant.
Oh, I was thinking that like Skippy. I was getting quite scared.
So
okay, so you've got a plant.
So that basically work on your mother's cells, wherein our anti-aging starts. So that ingredients basically goes in your deeper of the layer and it gives you the youthfulness. Yeah. And we have the eye cream as well in the same range with the extra.
Okay.
Yeah.
And let's have a little look at this and how it comes out.
The texture is very
Oh, it's almost like a balm texture.
yes, it's very light in
So it's
texture.
not a cream, it's not a gel, it's like a balm. It feels quite silky. Okay.
And although the application method in Clarins, which is very different according to the other brands that they do have.
Yes.
We generally take the product on our palm and we just warm it,
Okay.
and by pressing we use it.
Okay.
We don't pull and tuck the skin at all.
And do you get a lot of makeup artists coming in here for Clarins?
So makeup, basically we are more into skincare. The makeup we are doing good, but as far we are more into skincare.
But do you get a lot of makeup artists coming in and using your skincare for their
Yes,
clients?
some of them we have,
Yeah.
and we have very good review. We don't have so much of makeup like contouring and all. We don't have it. It's still not it came good.
But I think for makeup artists, it's really important that you focus on your skincare and you know exactly what you're putting onto your client, because again, as I said before, your makeup is only as good as your skin. And I think it's really important that
it's very
that
important
you look after
because
skin.
once your base is very good, your moisturizing must be very good.
Yes.
Then your makeup also look very good.
Exactly, and also removing makeup. No face wipes, people. No face wipes. We want proper removal of makeup.
Yes. So we do have different according to for eye. We have different makeup remover. We have entire different range for certain makeup.
Super. Misbah, thank you so much for spending the time with us. Really appreciate it. All the very best in your career.
Same to you.
And hopefully we'll be seeing Misbah with us 23rd, 24th of March 2020 for Makeup Week India. It's just around the corner. Make sure you're there. It's at the St Regis Hotel. We'll see you there.